I'm in a house of silent rain. Walls whisper secrets, echoes of pain. You know it really left a mark on my brain. Memories flooding, can't escape the chain. In the darkness, searching for the light, hoping one day it will be alright. Bittersweet, like a love that won't fade. Explosions of emotions, feeling so jaded. I see our laughter, it's frozen in time. Dancing in the kitchen, you spun me sublime. But the shadows linger, they twist and they twine. The scars I carry deep inside, I can't get back what was mine. In the darkness, searching for the light, hoping one day it will be alright. Bittersweet, like a love that won't fade. Explosions of emotions, feeling so jaded. This house is a prison with windows so high. Burnt out dreams like smoke in the sky. I reach for tomorrow, but yesterday stays. Caught in the silence, lost in the maze. In the darkness, searching for the light, hoping one day we'll be alright. Bittersweet, like a love that won't fade. Explosions of emotion, feeling so jaded. So let it end. So let it rain, let it wash me away. I'll stand in the silence, I'll learn how to stay. 'Cause even in shadows I'll find my refrain. I'm in a house of silent rain.